Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about skincare, and this is kind of like a collection of the skincare I use, and I use different products at different times, and I just thought that I would share all the things that I use. The facial cleanser that I use in the shower is the MixEAsy facial cleanser, and this is more for like a deep clean, all natural ingredients. You pick your formula. I will try to remember to link their website below. They're kind of pricey, but the products do work so nice, you guys. It's a very luxurious kind of face cleanser. And if my skin's feeling a little dry, I will use a facial scrubber with that in the shower. Outside of the shower for like everyday kind of daily cleansing, I like to use the Daily Renewing Skin Cleanser. And this is a gentle kind of daily cleanser, and it also has little scrubbies in it too. It's from the Dollar Tree. If you can find this, it's just fantastic. And also on other days that I feel kind of dry, my skin, I will use the Bolero Facial Scrub. Another awesome product. You can see the little almond pieces in there, and it works great for dry skin. Very moisturizing after as well. I love the way that it makes my skin feel after. And then sometimes I will use the Equate Beauty Skin Cream. This stuff smells like Noxzema. It's comparable to Noxzema. I really like it though. And I especially like this menthol-y kind of product for deep cleaning in the wintertime. So occasionally I will use that. So that's all the actual cleansers that I use and own at this time. Moving on to moisturizing. Now, once again, this is from MixEasy. I'll link their website, so you definitely go check them out. This is a very thick, creamy, hydrating moisturizer. And I especially love using this at night before I go to bed on my face. Love it, love it. Now, for everyday kind of moisturizing, when I get up in the morning and stuff, I like to use the oil-free moisturizer, and this is for daily use. And this is from Family Dollar. It's a great moisturizer. It's lightweight, so that's why I like it for the day. And occasionally, I will use some of the Dove Beauty Cream. Just depends. Another nighttime moisturizer I like using is the Pond's Rejuvenates Wrinkles or Anti-Wrinkle Cream. And I just have the small one here. And I like this product a lot, you guys. Especially I will dab it around my eye area. So kind of like using it like an eye cream. And I use this before I go to bed as well. I like to use the Dixon's Witch Hazel, and this is the deep cleansing one, astringent, and it says it is 92% natural distilled witch hazel. Fun fact about witch hazel: if you have redness on your face and stuff, now seeing this from Sabrina, this will actually help remove it. So I've been using this more often because honestly sometimes I leave this step out just because I'm in a hurry. I'll just take my makeup off, wash my face, put some, a moisturizer on and go on. But I've been using this more often, and the redness on my cheeks is almost gone. Yes, I love this product. This is the only witch hazel astringent kind of product that I have in my collection. Now moving on to like makeup removers and stuff. A staple is always going to be some kind of makeup wipe. And right now I'm using the Nice and Clean. They're kind of like orange kind of scented. They're nice. Also like the Pure and Gentle makeup removing wipes, Bolero, and most of the Equate brand as well. So I really like those. And I use cotton rounds from the Dollar Tree. And this is my main go-to kind of makeup remover product for around my eyes, and it's the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And I do like the blue one best, but they didn't have that one that day, so I got the all-in-one mattifying. works just as good, you guys. And I like it, and I always get it in the big bottle. In the summertime, I do like to remove my makeup with the coconut oil. This is from Dollar Tree. And in the summer, it's more melted. Obviously, it's warmer. And I will use this to remove all of my makeup. And it's a nice little makeup hack. And it moisturizes your skin. And it removes makeup like no other. It's so good. And after I use my wipes and whatever eye makeup remover, whether it be this one or coconut oil or whatever, I will almost always be using that with a makeup microfiber towel for makeup removing. Or I also have the PLUSH facial cleanser pad from Equate, and I love this as well, you guys. Definitely check you out some products like this to pair with your stuff. And basically that is all my skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been wanting to do a skincare video for a while. I enjoy watching them, so I thought you guys might be interested in seeing my skincare kind of routine stuff. So thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. Check that description box out for additional links. And thanks always for watching.